And there you have it, guys, the 2022 GMC Sierra transformation. And we have the 2022 GMC Sierra, guys, today. This is a 5.3 V8. And this truck, guys, was especially ordered. They put a beautiful steering wheel. They have the covering in upholstery for the dashboard. The client put a 4x4 tires right there in this beautiful toy. Custom sound system. There you have it. The problem, guys, it has cloth. And like we tell you before, guys, horrible, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. It needs leather for sure. And that's why it's here. We're gonna do a transformation for this vehicle, and the selection is beautiful. Let's take a look. This was a special order on black with perforation combo and the piping white, so it can match the color of the paint. And guys, we have all these interiors available at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Any color combination that you can think of to transform your ride, just like that one. And exotics, you can get over 60 different colors. You can get suede, you name it, we have it for you for virtually any vehicle, guys. And of course, if you want to take it to the next level, you can add cooling and heating. So you can be warm in the winter and you can be cool in the summer. If it does too much for you guys, you can go to the heater only, which is just for the winter. You can bear the summer, you can get the AC from your car. And then you get the heaters. Don't forget about that, guys. And I know it looks like crap right now, but wait until we finish this installation, so you can see how all that finished wrinkly sections right there are gonna disappear completely, because you want this car to look just like factory, which is what we do right here. This is a very low cost product compared to the $8,000, $12,000 asking price in the dealership if you decide to upgrade this to the next level with leather. No, guys, don't do that. You can do just like this client. Get your wheels, get your dashboard, get your big TV right there, get your sound system, and get it in cloth and bring it to us so we can do the beautiful transformation for leather. Black wrap, perforation combo, white piping. And I think it's gonna look better in the other side. After wheels, tires, new grille, new instrument cluster, steering wheel, custom sound system. Yeah, it looks better this way. Beautiful, beautiful leather interior, guys. You deserve this. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Over 60 different colors, combinations, guys, you name it. Virtually for any car. Thank you, guys. If you have questions, please put it in the comments, like and subscribe. and don't wait too long to get leather. Do the transformation, guys, for your trucks. If you're doing everything that this client did, all the upgrades, for sure you want to do your leather.